Hi, I'm attorney Andres Mejer, and this is our immigration tip of the week. We recently had someone ask us if they could bring their 6-month-old child to an interview at USCIS. I've created a few videos where I give interview tips, and I'll link to those below. But let me answer the question because there's one many other clients have asked me. Sometimes bringing a child to an interview at USCIS can help your case. If you have a child with your spouse and you've applied for a green card by marriage, it may help to show the officer that you have a solid, strong relationship. Most people don't get into a fraudulent marriage, have a child together only to get your green card, to get their green card. That is not common. That is very much unusual. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. I'm saying it happens a lot less often than a sham marriage. However, taking care of a child may take your attention away from the officer and the process. If you have many children who are acting as children do and stressing you out and others, bringing them to the interview may not be the best choice. Usually interviews don't take very long, but the wait time can be quite long. You're going to be in a room without anything to entertain your children. They may get fussy, hungry, or bored. You're not always allowed to have electronics in USCIS. It depends on the local office. So you may not be able to bring a tablet for them to play on. If you can, fantastic, but it doesn't always happen. Also, sometimes your interview is recorded and having an agitated child might impact that recording. If you have to bring your children, and it's possible, bring a family member with you who can sit with your child while you're at the interview. Now, again, under COVID, that may not be possible. They may not allow your family relative to come in. So again, it really depends on your facts. If you're going for a citizenship interview, short of your children participating in the ceremony, there's really no reason to bring them with you. If you have an employment-based visa, unless your children are also getting their green cards along with you as your dependents, there's no reason to bring them. However, if you're an asylum interview and you have children born in the US, there's no reason to bring them with you. If your children are older and they're going to testify, again, that's a different story. Now, if it's just you and they're there for your support, it's not a marriage-based application, or it's not a marriage. If your children are not born of this marriage, it's from a prior relationship, and they're not applying for legal status for themselves, meaning they were born here, don't bring them, because you may not be able to bring a relative with you to take care of them. I hope this tip helps you in your interview. Good luck and be well.